thank you so much for talking to iCarmic.com. You're looking ravishing as always. Tell us a little about this look. You know, I love the beige sandals.
Thank
And
you. It's by Steve Madden. The dress is by Vidhi, and we've kept it very simple, very clean look with nice bold lips. That's it.
Yeah, and you've not gone
No,
for any
very anything.
accessories, you know?
No, yeah. When you're wearing a good dress, you don't need accessories.
Absolutely. Okay, Daisy, everybody has been raving about Hate Story. The views are going crazy on YouTube. But you know, it's a very, very bold teaser. And आजकल थोड़ा मौसम जो है वो bans का चल रहा है. You know, everybody is banning everything. What will happen? What would you know, react? Your reaction be if suddenly आपको पता चलता है कि इसके ऊपर ban लग गया है.
वो होगा नहीं ऐसे तो मुझे पता है क्योंकि मेकर्स को पता होता कि इस पे बैन लगने वाला है तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वो इतना स्पेंड करते नहीं मूवी के अंदर और दूसरी बात या बैन इज द न्यू इन थिंग टुडे सो दे आर प्रोबेबली बैनिंग एवरीथिंग.
Okay, quickly, you said that you've been working for the last 5 years on New Year. Is there one New Year that you will ever spend off work and with your family and I'd like to tell the viewers we're really sorry about your loss. You lost your dad. You've not been enjoying on New Year's. So when will you start enjoying on a New
I
Year?
enjoy my work actually. So if I'm working on New Year's, I'm happy because I'm working. But again, given a choice, I would like to spend New Year's with my family, a quiet celebration. But that will be, I guess, after 10 years when I'm completely settled and I know that I don't want to work anymore. So yes.
Thank you so much, Daisy, for talking to iCarmic.com.
Hi, I'm Daisy Shah and you're watching iCarmic.com.